Michigan Constitutional Crusader. We're out here at the Michigan Lottery office in downtown Lansing. We're gonna see what they think. I was Spanky Pants. Cool. He's all, close your computers. Tripping. What we got going on in here?
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. What are you doing?
Recording. What are you doing?
Why are you recording?
Because I want to.
Oh, okay.
What are you guys doing?
We're gonna have an interview here, so we can't really record, unfortunately.
Actually, we can. Because we're in the public area. Yeah.
Open interviews?
What do you mean open?
Like anybody can come apply?
No, no. This is.
Gotta get invited.
You have to go through state of Michigan to apply.
Cool. Heck yeah.
All right. Well,
That's good.
There's their picture wall.
Oh, for taking the pictures of the winners?
When they hold up the big fake checks.
Oh yeah, hold up the big fake check.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh, there's a bunch of the pictures of the lottery winners on the wall, in front of that wall. Yeah.
public area, but it's gonna instructing to the interview process and make it.
No, you've got a door that's closed.
Focus on what you're doing and not me. Pretend I'm not here.
No, I can't do that.
You
I'm
can't?
sorry.
Oh wow, I can do that. I can pretend you're not here.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi. How you doing?
All right.
Cool.
What you did?
What you think?
I don't know.
I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Did you win the lottery?
Yeah.
You did? That's awesome. How much did you
Heck
win?
yeah.
Hopefully enough to stay up for the rest of your life.
No.
No? Damn, you gotta play again, don't you? I keep playing and losing.
Can I help you?
No, I don't need any help.
That guy won.
Okay.
Warehouse services.
What is it? Cool. Ditches for water fountains. Come on, man. That's ridiculous. Didn't get there in time to read it. I surely did it.
She's gonna put the paper out the window.
Oh, yeah. Well, they should make mini blinds for these
There's a
windows.
state employee.
Hi. How can we
I
help?
already got it.
Okay.
Too late.
Man, they should make mini blinds for these windows.
Right?
For many doors that we come across, like the tape,
Yeah.
paper open, yeah, they should really just buy mini blinds to put on them.
Should.
Yeah, or tint them,
Something.
something, yeah, for sure.
See if I can find the name.
Awesome.
Ready? Yes.
Cool.
Maybe one day I'll get to come here as a winner.
Yeah, you never know.
Big winning ticket, you know?
That'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it?
It'd be awesome, like win like $1 million.
Yeah.
Love that. We're not trying to record this information. We wouldn't do that.
Yep, we wouldn't intentionally do that. But the stuff you guys leave out, we will, because we'll put you on blast. You know, like all that stuff sitting on that desk that I could zoom in on. Oh, yeah, look at all that stuff. Huh.
I can't be seeing babies makes me want to go home and see my wife, man. I want another baby. If they just stay like that forever, it'd be awesome.
Wouldn't it though?
If they grow up into adults.
Yeah, I'm feeling that with my preteen right now.
Oh, yeah? Oh, goodness. I got a 25-year-old, a 23-year-old, an 18-year-old, and an 8-year-old.
Oh, wow.
Well, at least they didn't try telling us we couldn't be in here with cameras like the one in Livonia did.
Right. I mean, she tried to tell us we couldn't be standing there.
Yeah, well, you see what she did. She put paper over the window.
So maybe they actually read the memo the governor sent out.
Maybe. Hopefully. I mean, we put in a lot of hard work to get that memo sent out. And,
Mm-hmm.
they had $478 million for the Powerball. I'm buying $502 million for the Mega Millions. Oh, no, 205. Yeah, I'm going Powerball. I'm buying a ticket.
Right?
At least one line.
Absolutely.
I'll get lucky. Could be my lucky day since I came here.
Yeah, you never know.
Do feel lucky. He's so well behaved.
Yeah, he's used to being out in public. I bring him
Yeah.
everywhere with me, so he's
Unlike all those COVID babies. You know what I'm talking
I mean,
about?
before COVID, I couldn't take my kids nowhere. They didn't know how to behave in public.
No, I'm talking about all these kids that are, you
Yeah.
know, like 4 and 5 years old now.
Yeah, born
They're
during
so
COVID.
afraid to be out in public.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Well, I know people who just don't bring their kids out in general. Just
Right.
Socialize somewhere. So
Right.
I think he needs to be able to see people, see the world.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. All that stimulus is good for the brain.
Yup.
Cool.
Alright, cool, man. Yeah, have a good man. Congratulations.
Oh, thank
Hopefully you won big.
No, I just screwed up
Ah, gotcha.
Any open windows?
No, they're gonna close all of
No.
them.
Yeah, it's all
That's
closed
fine.
now. Michigan Retailers Association.
Michigan Retailers.
Well, there's a government employee.
Another government employee. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll have to get his plate number.
Yeah, get his plate number.
Yeah.
Read it out loud so my cameras can hear.
DYY 7357.